Number 1. 1972 Chevrolet C20 pickup, $7,500, Kennewick, Washington. This 1972 Chevrolet C20 is a solid 3/4-ton pickup that showcases the strength of early 70s Chevrolet trucks. Powered by a rebuilt 350 cubic inch V8 with a 4-bolt main and paired with a smooth shifting automatic transmission, it runs strong and reliably. Upgrades including front disc brakes, power steering, power brakes, and dual exhaust improve everyday drivability while maintaining classic character. The body is very solid with only minor age-related rust, and original factory markings add to its collector appeal. A dependable driver-quality classic with a clean Washington title. Number 2. 1965 Ford F-250 Flatbed, $3,500, Grass Valley, California. This 1965 Ford F-250 Flatbed is a rugged vintage truck with solid potential. Equipped with a 360 cubic inch V8 and a 3-speed manual transmission, it reflects Ford's heavy-duty mid-60s design. The truck is in good overall condition for its age, but will need a tune-up and brake service after extended storage. The flatbed setup makes it ideal for ranch use or restoration into a traditional work truck. Offered with a clean title and solid structure, it is an affordable classic Ford. Number 3. 1974 Chevrolet Luv pickup, $4,500, Ventura, California. This 1974 Chevrolet Luv is an increasingly rare compact pickup that remains largely original. Finished in classic yellow and equipped with a 4-speed manual transmission, it has been lightly used and carefully owned over the years. While it shows some rust and minor body damage, its originality and maintenance history make it a strong restoration candidate. Early Luv pickups are gaining attention among collectors due to their simplicity and limited availability. Number 4. 1970 Chevrolet C20 Long Bed Camper Edition, $2,900, Amado, Arizona. This 1970 Chevrolet C20 Camper Edition is a desirable long bed truck equipped with factory air conditioning and a tow package. Although it has been sitting, the engine is complete with clean oil and recent ignition components installed. The body and interior remain largely intact, providing a solid foundation for restoration. Camper Edition trucks are increasingly difficult to find, especially at this price point. Number 5. 1977 Ford F-150 Custom 4-wheel drive, $4,500, Ramona, California. This 1977 Ford F-150 Custom is a lifted 4-wheel drive classic, powered by a rebuilt 351 modified V8 with performance upgrades. It runs well and features a rebuilt transfer case, dual exhaust, and aggressive off-road tires. While it requires a cab and windshield replacement and does not meet emissions requirements, it remains a strong candidate for an off-road build or trail rig. Late 70s Ford 4x4 trucks continue to be popular among enthusiasts. Number 6. 1980 Toyota pickup 4-wheel drive, $4,500, Eagle, Idaho. This 1980 Toyota pickup features the legendary 20R engine, known for its durability and simplicity. Although the odometer has rolled over, extensive mechanical work has already been completed, including suspension, cooling, and brake components. Additional repairs are still needed, particularly in the drivetrain and electrical systems. Early Toyota 4-wheel drive pickups are highly sought after, making this a worthwhile project with strong long-term potential. Number 7. 1988 Nissan D21 Hardbody pickup, $3,800, Hesperia, California. This 1988 Nissan D21 Hardbody is a heavily modified mini truck featuring extensive suspension and brake upgrades. Powered by a 4-cylinder engine with a manual transmission, it runs and drives, but requires a smog inspection. Highlights include a custom 4-link rear suspension, coilovers, upgraded carburetor, and modified fuel system. Hardbody pickups are known for reliability, and this example stands out as a unique street or show build. Number 8. 1975 Chevrolet Silverado C20 Camper Special, $6,500, French Gulch, California. This 1975 Chevrolet Silverado C20 Camper Special is a heavy-duty 3/4-ton truck powered by a fully rebuilt 454 cubic inch big block V8. Equipped with a Warn winch, heavy-duty front bumper, and a clean interior, it is well suited for hauling or recreational use. The truck is smog exempt and offered with a clean title on non-operation status. Big block camper special models are increasingly collectible. Number 9. 1987 Mazda B2000, $795, Santa Cruz, California. This 1987 Mazda B2000 is a non-running project truck offered at a very affordable price. Powered by a 4-cylinder engine and 5-speed manual transmission, it will require mechanical work including carburetor, clutch, and brake repairs. Despite its condition, it includes a bed shell, bed liner, and clean title. These compact pickups are simple to work on and make excellent budget projects. Number 10. 1974 Dodge D100 Stepside, $10,000, St. Paul, Minnesota. This 1974 Dodge D100 Stepside offers classic styling paired with a mechanically rebuilt drivetrain. Minor rust and hail damage resulted in a salvage title, but the truck remains structurally sound. Dodge pickups from this era are less common than comparable Ford and Chevrolet models, adding unique collector appeal. With its step-side bed and V8 power, it presents a solid foundation for restoration or enjoyment. Number 11. 1977 Chevrolet C20 Camper Special, $8,900, Marysville, Washington. This 1977 Chevrolet C20 Camper Special is an exceptionally original example with documented low mileage and a rust-free bed. Powered by a 350 cubic inch V8 and automatic transmission, it has received extensive brake and cooling system service. A partial repaint and transmission service were completed previously, and the truck has been driven regularly. A high-quality classic suitable for daily use or light restoration. Number 12, 1950 GMC 100 pickup, $12,500, Tualatin, Oregon. This 1950 GMC 100 pickup combines classic post-war styling with modern drivability. Powered by a Ford 302 V8 and automatic transmission, it has been converted to a 12-volt electrical system and runs well. The body is in very good condition for its age, with only minor rust noted on the front floorboard. Early GMC pickups are prized for their distinctive design, and this example offers tasteful upgrades while retaining vintage character.